Technologists and scientists, all they're trying to do is understand the world and communicate that back, and that's all poets are trying to do as well. And I think these things are beautiful acts of love. So I think I want to end with a love poem for you. A love poem. A poem about love. No, sorry, a poem about maths. And get those two mixed up. It goes like this. I love the curvature of your wave form, the way you diverge from the norm. I want to bring you to boiling point, because too hot is not too warm, and when we touch, it's an electric storm, and you're the lightning conductor to my heightening thunder sound. You're the earth to my life. Why are you keep me on the ground? If you were described by numbers, they would all be primes. But like Heisenberg, you're uncertain of where we are sometimes, so this verse is in a language that you can understand, bringing maths and poetry together in double helix strands. Because we've been carbon dating for a while, and sure, I'd made you smile, and statistically speaking, I'd make you laugh sooner or later. So the line on my mental graph paper that represented how I felt about you had an upward trajectory. Marking X's against the X-axis, I plot points and Y. Well, because X marks the spot where two lines intersect, connect in a future perfect tense, tell a story predicted by the focus of the locus. But this isn't magic, it's not hocus pocus, because you have no need for the supernatural, whereas I'm odd. I'm not always logical, and sometimes even my numbers are irrational, but you were the right angle for me, a cute reality to my obtuse literacy, not an abstract. And you pivot on moments like these. Affected by Brownian motion, we dance like particles, and I have this notion that I'm the definite article to your theoretical hypothesis, the words to your mathematics. For this is my medium of transmission. And I'm no paranormal magician, there are rules in writing too. Creating literary fission through rhyme addition, division of lines to ease transition, multiplying meaning by verb position, subtraction of words made more powerful by omission. I know it's not a precise science, but there is a method to it. For example, electrons flow between two polar points. I am the north and you the south. We can't help but be attracted, and we reacted, like water and phosphorus, to form a compound substance, because you plus me equals us. And chemistry is undeniable, like electromagnetism or gravity, and though there are sparks of volatility, ours is not a weak but a strong nuclear force, and in all probability this is how it will always be, because when we deviate it's anything but standard, a sign that we're meant to be, yeah, well played, a sign that we're meant to be physical with our biology, and maybe I'm going off on a tangent here, but pressed together our contact force is not normal. Cosmic strings vibrate in harmonious commotion, and when we oscillate in our simple harmonic motion, I think that maybe one day we'll propagate, but that's in the future, in our fourth dimension. I don't want to upset the equilibrium, I don't want to cause any tension, because our equation is balanced. You're the constant variable in my life, the quantity for which I did not factor. You keep me powered, you turn me on, you are my chain reactor, the dark matter I do not fully understand, the bright colours on my spectral band. You are pure mathematics, but applied together. We are poetry in motion. Thank you.